What's up, guys? Mike here with a bike check for BMX NJ Daily. I want to start with the rear section of the bike. Here, I got my seat, the Fit FAF 2.25-inch tires with heavy-duty Danscom tubes, just stock rims, stock spokes, stuff like that. Alright, my handlebars, I got right there, those are my handlebars. I got a stem lock, you know, it goes through the bottom. And then for the front, I got an FSA Pig Pro headset. You know, you gotta keep the rear in line. For my stem, I got a Colt stem, Rasta top load. Pretty handy, pretty nice. Alright, for my frame, I have Animal sway bars. And then Colt. What kind of grips do I have? Colt, just, you know what? They're Colt. They're Colt grips. They suck. Don't get them. Alright. For my sprocket, Colt sprocket, 25 tooth. It's pretty nice. Hubs the same. Same tire in the back, same width, same kind, same cam wall. For my crank, for my pedals, I have a fit seat for my pedals here. Pedals are stock, bike stock. It's about 12 pounds. Came 13 pounds stock. It's a tractor pound for that. So, really nice, I think. 12 pounds is really cheap. And I'm not talking currency. And yes, I'm wearing sunglasses and it is cloudy outside.
There's a hurricane coming.
And I'm with Hurricane Sandy today. I love you. Goodbye.